Ako mag-message o
Okay.
sige. To everybody, welcome to our simple home here in Tagaytay. Group of my batchmate, my co-teachers, some of the DepEd family, and most especially my family. Welcome here. Okay? Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdating dito. Una-una, yes, God. Maraming salamat. Secondly, to my loving husband na talaga namang very supportive, loving, and everything. Except, no. Ewan, nasa kanya na lahat. You can see, and he's a good husband to me. That's it. So, siguro, yeah, I'm happy kasi ito lang ang chance tayo magkita-kita. At kaya, a simple celebration na ganito, makasama ko lang kayo, makita kayo, ay napakasaya ko na. Okay? My friend and everybody. That's all. Thank you.
Sure. Just wanted to say that it's a pleasure for all of you to show up, and all of you, I know you know what a wonderful person Lumen is, or Philomena, and I also believe that as well. And also, I want to say thank you to all the people that are setting up this beautiful dinner for everyone, since they did not get mentioned. Thank you very much.
Siguro, yeah, pwedeng tayo mag-start.
No, picture taking.
Okay.
Please call on first for the picture taking, Kabuyaw Institute Batch 72.
Picture taking dito.